China is home to an array of breathtaking locations that range from ancient historical landmarks to stunning natural wonders. Here are some of the most amazing places to explore in China. The Great Wall of China. A world-famous symbol of China, this ancient defensive structure stretches across mountains, deserts, and plains. The sections near Beijing, such as Badaling and Yuanyang, are particularly well-preserved and popular with tourists. Zhangjiajie National Forest Park, Avatar Mountains. Known for its towering sandstone pillars, this UNESCO World Heritage Site in Hunan Province inspired the floating mountains in the movie Avatar. The park is famous for its dramatic landscapes and glass skywalks. Jiuzhaigou Valley. Located in Sichuan Province, Jiuzhaigou is a stunning valley known for its multicolored lakes, snow-capped mountains, and waterfalls. It's a dream destination for nature lovers and photographers. The River Gillan. One of China's most iconic landscapes, the karst mountains along the Li River in Guangxi Province are a breathtaking sight. A river cruise between Gillan and Yangshuo offers serene views of this natural beauty. The Forbidden City, Beijing. The imperial palace of China's Ming and Qing dynasties, this massive complex in the heart of Beijing is a marvel of ancient architecture and history. It's one of the largest and best preserved palace complexes in the world. Terracotta Army, Xi'an. Discovered in 1974, the Terracotta Army is an extraordinary archaeological find. Thousands of life-sized clay soldiers, horses, and chariots were buried with China's first emperor, Qin Shi Huang, to protect him in the afterlife. Yellow Mountains, Huangshan. Famous for its towering granite peaks, ancient pine trees, and sea of clouds, the Yellow Mountains in Anhui Province have been a source of inspiration for Chinese painters and poets for centuries. Yunnan's rice terraces, Yuanyang. The terraced fields of Yuanyang in Yunnan Province offer a mesmerizing sight, particularly at sunrise and sunset. These terraces have been cultivated by the Han people for over 1,000 years. West Lake, Hangzhou. Known for its tranquil beauty, West Lake in Hangzhou has inspired countless poems and artworks. Surrounded by temples, pagodas, and gardens, it's a peaceful retreat from city life. Mount Everest, Tibet. On the border between China and Nepal, Mount Everest is the highest mountain in the world. The Tibetan base camp offers breathtaking views of this iconic peak. Leshan Giant Buddha. Standing at 71 meters tall, this enormous Buddha statue is carved into the side of a cliff in Sichuan province, overlooking the confluence of 3 rivers. It's the largest stone Buddha in the world and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Tiger Leaping Gorge, Yunnan. One of the deepest gorges in the world, this natural wonder in Yunnan is a popular spot for hiking. The Jade Dragon Snow Mountain and the Yangtze River provide dramatic scenery for adventurers. Zhangjiajie landform. Known as the Rainbow Mountains, this unique geological park in Gansu province is famous for its vibrant, multicolored rock formations, which create a surreal landscape.